boy, is that the Duchess over there? Poor lass. Makes you wonder what's on her mind.
Never thought I would actually love.
Keep going. You're strong and powerful. Keep fighting for what you think is right. You still have your allies, do you not? The Earth hasn't given up. What about you?
Can't tell if I'm hallucinating or not.
What is wrong, Your Grace?
Oh, please, spare the honorifics.
My apologies, and my condolences. Let's get inside. It's cold.